Nestled against picturesque mountain views, Wingpoint Apartments is your escape away from it all. You'll love our residential location in Heber City, Utah, which offers the perfect blend of privacy at home mixed with easy access to city conveniences. You'll never have to travel far to find the things you need and still have your own special place to come home to. With the peaceful surroundings Wingpoint Apartments has to offer, there's plenty of recreation for the whole family right in our community. Our thoughtful amenity package includes something for everyone, whether you prefer unwinding by the sparkling pool or getting in a quality workout at our fitness center. You can take your pet for a scenic stroll or host a get-together in our elegant clubhouse. Our variety of apartments offers a wide selection choice, including homes with 1- and 2-car garages for added convenience. If you'd love to spend your evenings enjoying the gorgeous view, just ask about our apartments with balconies that face the mountains. Each layout comes with a fully equipped kitchen, some including a built-in microwave. Our homes also feature full-size washer and dryer connections, air conditioning, and walk-in closets. Contact Wingpoint Apartments today to learn more about our floor plans, amenities, and much more. You can also schedule a personalized tour.